Hey YouTube, Garage Place here, back at it again. Today I'm working on a 2003 Dodge Ram. This is the 1500, and the issue that I'm having is the AC blower is not working. My AC compressor is good. It gets cool outside, the pipes and everything, they get cold. But the blower itself is not working. It's not turning on. Now I have all this like this so you can see, and I took everything out, its clips and stuff. Obviously these Dodges, they all break. If you have one, then you know the dashboard is just crap. But anyways, I did a lot of troubleshooting, and I'm going to walk you through quick, but I know what the problem is already after some research. I get light here because my AC light this turns on, so this has electricity. It can be broken or whatever. This may not be working, but that's not the issue in this case. I took off my blower. I unplugged it. I got two cables. I plugged them straight from the battery to the blower. Just did just put a cable straight to it, and it works. So my blower is good. I already tried it out. You can do that as well. Just make sure that when you do that, you're holding the blower from this side, because it's going to start spinning and you may hurt yourself. Another thing is down here, if you follow this cable, this is the resistor. It costs $12. I'm going to have a link in the description of everything. I'll have a link of this. It's $12. I replaced that. That wasn't my issue. But so it's not my blower, and it's not this. I checked the fuses outside. They're easy to do. You can check on the cover, and it tells you the name of the fuses, and then you just follow the ones that are talk about the AC or the blower. And I checked my fuses and my relays. They're good. My relays, the way to check them, I didn't replace them or anything. I just replaced one relay with another relay that looks the same. I usually replace it with a horn relay, and everything was fine. So now the true problem is actually your ignition switch, which is this guy right here. And I'm going to have a link in the description. It's very cheap. I don't know the exact price, but you can buy it online. It's a 2-day shipping or next day shipping. And that goes right here. What happens is, for this Dodges, it burns out, and I did some research, and that's my problem here. And I'm going to show you that in just a minute. I'm going to show you how to open this up so you can get to it, remove it, and replace it. Sorry it took for this long. 2 minutes already into it, but I'm just showing you guys the troubleshooting process. So let me show you how to remove this, and here we go. Okay guys, so the first step to remove this, and I already did most of it so you can see and make it easier for you. Remove this little plastic. This is how it looks. This goes in here. Just pop it out, pull it out this way. As you can see, it's very easy. This goes in here. You can always turn this down or whatever so you can have the better angle that you want. Pull that out, just pull straight out. And then down here, there's two screws. They're TORX screws. They're T20. It's one in here and one in here. I already took one out. This is what you're looking at. This is what you're looking at. It's a T20. Go ahead and remove those two, and then let me show you what you're gonna have to do. So T20, you may need a specific tool for this because it's not big enough. The hole's not big enough for you to put any tool. So let me go ahead and remove those two, and then I'm going to unclip this. I'm going to show you how to unclip this little top part, okay? So here we go. Guys, a quick tip on those screws. I used an Allen key. It's not the proper tool, but I used it because the tools that I was using wouldn't fit in there. So if you're having that same issue, you can use an Allen key, and it'll work for mine. I used this in, and I took this one out, which was the second one, the one that's all the way in there. So go ahead and do that. Let me show you what to do next. All right, guys, there's also another one in here. I'm sorry, I forgot to tell you guys. So it's 3 in total. There's one right here as well. So that's 3 that you're going to remove. All right, guys, once removing those screws, then you're going to remove this little plastic that goes in here. It's just pop out. You just pop it out just like this. It's very easy. And then you can just pull everything out, and it should come apart very easily. You can use a flathead if you want to. But as you can see, all this is open already. I'm gonna go ahead and remove it and clean everything up, and then show you what you have to do next. The part that we're going to replace is right here. Okay guys, so as soon as you remove that cover, this is the part that we're going to replace. We can unplug it first and see. You'll probably see if it's burned or not. And it's very easy. Just remove this little white cover up here with a flathead, and then down here there's a red cover that you're gonna move to the side. I moved the steering all the way down. I think that's the best position. Get your flathead, come in here and just put it in here and turn. See how you see? I just unlocked that. And then down here, there's a red one. So I'm gonna lift the steering, okay? And then see this little switch here? I think I already moved it on the side, but it goes in, and now you can move it to the side just like that. Now I should be able to remove this switch. So let me remove that with both of my hands. If I find any other issues, I'll let you know. Probably the white one I have to, there you go, yeah. And now it's coming out. It's hard to do it with one hand, but there we go. Once you remove it, you can see, and yes, you can see, let me see the top part, how it's burned. Let me see if I can, this top part right there, how the connection is burned. That's because this right here is your issue. So let me move this to the side, and I'm going to show you how to remove this now. Okay guys, so to remove our ignition switch, we're going to have to move this to the side. And to remove this to the side is very easy. There's two plugs here. It's better if you unplug them. The clip is on top, right here on the top part. You press this. So you're gonna have to kind of get in here and kind of press that little button and then pull out. So once you pull it out, you're gonna have access. You can still have access with the plug in there, but just for recording purposes and so you can work better, I have to remove it. So this is a size T25. It's still a TORX. There's one right there. And then if you come down here and you move the cable to the side, that's the other one. So that's 1 and 2. Remove those two, and then we're going to be able to move this to the side so we can have access to our ignition switch. And we're very close to our goal. So just do that, and let me show you what you have to do next. Okay, guys, so now that I removed that, I can move it to the side, as you can see. And then we have access to these two screws. They're also TORX. They're T20s. There's 2 of them. And once we take those 2 out, we can remove this. There's an unplugged cable back here, but that's just how it is. Don't worry about it. It's not your fault or nothing like that. It doesn't go anywhere. It's just, I guess, for fully loaded vehicles or whatever. So it's just a loose cable back there. That's fine. I didn't touch it. Remove this too, and then we're going to be able to pull this out. Again, this part is cheap. Check the link in the description for that if it helps you. But let me remove that and then show you what else. Okay guys, I removed it. As you can see, there's this little clip right here. I used a flathead. It's stuck here. You can just use your flathead and push this out, and it comes out straight. Very easy. There's only one way in. The shape of that, the shape of this, that means it only can go one way in. It's very easy job, very quick process, and there you go. As you can see, that's your problem right there. This will fix your AC blower. To put everything back is the same process, but in reverse. I can show you proof of my fix, but I mean, this is it right here. And my problem was that my AC blower wasn't working. I'm going to put everything back. I'm going to show you a quick 5-second thing about the blower working, but that's it. Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe. This video it works on many Dodges, and it's a common issue. A lot of people have this issue. So if you know somebody with this vehicle, you can share this video, like, or even comment down in the bottom. Thank you very much, guys, for everything. Take care. Quick video, guys. Just I started real quick, and the blower, watch out, but I just want to show you how it works. There you go, see? And that's all, folks. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe.